The African Continental Free Trade Area AFCFTA agreement, signed on the 21st of March 2018, entered into force on the 30th of May 2019. One of the 5 operational instruments of the AFCFTA is the monitoring and elimination of non-tariff barriers. The elimination of non-tariff barriers is based on harmonization of standards and conformity assessment procedures within Africa to enable the application of the 3-1 principle: one standard, one test, one certificate, accepted everywhere. The African Organization for Standardization, ARSO, is an intergovernmental organization funded by the African Union and the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, with the mandate of harmonizing African standards and conformity assessment procedures in order to remove technical barriers to trade, TBT, which is in line with the aim of the AFCFTA. ARSO has so far elaborated standards in many economic sectors, such as agriculture, industry, and environment. Looking at the cosmetology and wellness sector in Africa, it is one of the sectors with a huge potential to provide jobs for many people in Africa. However, currently there are no harmonized African standards to facilitate trade in this sector. And it is for this reason that ARSO, with support from the ACP managed TradeCom 2 program funded by the European Union, has implemented a project aimed at standardization in the cosmetology and wellness sector. The capacity building for export competitiveness of women-led SMEs and standards promoting in cosmetology sector in Africa project with ARSO and the Global She Alliance. This project is about promoting she exports for cosmetics in regional and international markets and the uptake of standards for cosmetology in Africa. Safety and health concerns related to cosmetology and wellness in Africa, as well as the related applicable standards, were not only catalogued and therefore, with the support of the TradeCom 2 PMU, ARSO developed a study to capture the trade barriers and the status of standardization of health and safety concerns related to the cosmetology industry in Africa. The project also worked to raise awareness on the benefits of standards in the cosmetology and wellness sector. As part of this project, ARSO organized the first Technical Harmonization Committee meeting to kickstart the process of harmonizing African standards in cosmetology and the wellness sector. The main concern in this sector is the use of banned substances in the manufacture of cosmetics products by some manufacturers, which injure the health of consumers. This can be prevented by adhering to good manufacturing practices. What is good manufacturing practices? Let's listen to a specialist.
We started manufacturing way back in 1970s, and we have been producing personal care products and household products. We started our GMP journey back in the 1980s, and we have been improving day to day. We have partnered with local bodies like Kenya Bureau of Standards. We have also partnered with SGS, Intertech, and they have been inspecting our facilities, our processes, and the end product, just to ensure that we conform to the GMP standards and uphold the quality standards as a company.
The other concern is the failure by some service providers in the sector to observe good hygienic practices, which may equally compromise the health of clients. Let's listen to a specialist.
We have a variety of services that we do offer. We have manicure, pedicure, we do waxing, we do braiding, we also do the relaxing of your hair, and any hair service we offer it here. So we have around 8 beauticians. So after like 6 months, they go for a workshop where they are trained on the modern ways of doing their work. That's how we make sure that they are up to scale of what is outside there. That's how we maintain our clients. And also, we always like the products that are being used in the markets. and also the safest ways of doing, like for example waxing. And also we make sure that, especially waxing, it's very very personal, so they must be also put the client's confidentiality. Clients are different, they have their own preference of products that they want to use. So they will find that some clients, when they use one product, it reacts with them. So they will tell you, don't use this on me. Can you kindly use this other product on me? If there is a product that we find that so many clients are complaining about, we just remove it from our stock and get what clients like most. So we do a stock take, and then we go shopping for the products that are finished. Everything that we are using, we have a cabinet for it. That's how we store our products. The products that we use, we make sure we try them before the client is used on the client. So we have to certify them so that when the client comes, we are sure of the product that we are using. Furthermore, we are here, it's a business, we must make our clients happy.